Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk about the static route and default route configuration in SANGFOR IAM version 11.0. Let's start by understanding the theory behind static route and default route configuration. Static route is required when traffic are routed to a non-connected host or network. If there is no static route defined, traffic will not be routed to the destination address. Default route is required to route traffic to networks that are not found in the routing table. By default, destination network and subnet masks are set to 4 quads of 0, while the next hop is configured to network gateway. In this routing topology, we need to set 3 static routes in IAM. The first static route is to introduce the 192.200.1.10/24 network. The second static route is to introduce the one network to IAM so that traffic can return from the internet. And lastly, a default route for packets to reach the internet if destination IP is not found in the routing table. There are 5 steps to configure static route and default route configurations. The first step is to access IAM web user interface. The second step is to test connectivity. The third step is to enter static route interface. The fourth step is to add static route and default route. And the fifth step is to verify connectivity. First of all, we access to the IAM web user interface by entering our username and password. Next, we would like to test the connectivity by issuing a ping command to a local user in local area network. Notice that the ping is unsuccessful. Next, we enter the static route interface and we define our first static route, which is to introduce the 192.200.1.10 network. And we add the second static route to introduce the one network to the IAM so that traffic can return from the internet. And lastly, we add a default route pointing to the internet gateway so that if the destination IP is not found in the routing table, this packet can be routed to the internet gateway. Finally, we verify our connectivity to the local user in the local area network. We witness that there are replies from the local area network. Next, we like to issue a ping command to the public domain such as google.com. We also witness that there are replies from the ping command. And lastly, you like to try out youtube.com. There are also replies from youtube.com. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.